Hello, fellow atheists. Today we have a special subject lecture titled, Why the Healings of Jesus Were a Load of Bunk. Ignorant fundamentalists believe that Jesus had magical powers that he used to heal people. However, it is patently obvious that all Jesus was doing was ministering to people who were suffering from conversion disorders, meaning they had some hidden psychological conflict or need that was psychosomatically affecting them and leading them to believe that they were sick. Such conversion disorders can be readily reversed with what amounts to competent personal counseling. And that is clearly how Jesus seemed to heal people. Any questions?
Yeah, I got a ton of issues with this one. First of all, what evidence do you have apart from begging the question that any of those people Jesus encountered had some hidden psychological conflict or need? Conversion disorders in modern times are very rare, so how likely is it that Jesus came across dozens of people who had them? Second, why assume that modern psychological responses obtained in the ancient setting of the New Testament, which was an agonistic culture, in which people constantly defended their personal honor, making it unlikely, if not impossible, that they would suffer any sort of conflict or need as you describe? Third, have you actually checked any case studies of resolutions of conversion disorders? One of the principles of resolving those is to avoid invasive diagnostic and therapeutic interventions, and Jesus' healing actions were extremely invasive in terms of how he approached and dealt with his subjects. Not only that, conversion disorders typically require weeks or months of therapy, not just a moment in time like the sort Jesus spent with those people. So to sum it up, where do you get off playing the role of an expert psychologist when you can't even get simple facts straight?
Are there any more questions?
Sure, when was the last time you saw a professional psychologist for that problem you have going around wearing a clown outfit?
What clown outfit?
Heh. Didn't know there was such a thing as clown conversion disorder.